How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English dub. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath and today I'll guide you on how you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English dub. Now, you can easily get the dubbed version for Naruto Shippuden in the official website, that is the Crunchyroll. You can watch it on Crunchyroll. You can get the Crunchyroll application from Play Store as well, or you can head into your browser and you can type in Crunchyroll and you'll be headed to their website there. So you'll get the first link there once you type in Crunchyroll, and there you can simply go ahead and log into the account, which is free. And once you log in, you can go ahead and you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English dub. The other platform where you can watch the Naruto Shippuden in English dub is the Netflix. You can simply go ahead and download Netflix, and there you can search in for Naruto Shippuden. It's available there in English sub or English dub as well. So this is the way you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English dub. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.